Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney for those of you who are new here, and I have a really fun and festive video for you today. As you guys probably know, we've been making over our 120-year-old home, almost 121-year-old home now, from top to bottom, you guys. I've been so busy working away. We started in the powder room, worked our way through, added more color, more character to this home, and I'm currently working on my master bedroom. And if you've missed it, make sure you check it out. I'll link it down below. But I've been very, very busy from painting and sanding and patching and digging and stripping the paint off of lots of things, you guys. I need a bit of a break. With these long days and nights of work and the weekends and just anywhere I can fit it in, honestly, I need to take some time. I realized with the holidays coming up that this is my favorite time of year. My husband and I love Christmas, and we have instilled that in our children, and we just love going all out. Decorating the house for Christmas. I have a Christmas house tour if you missed that, check that out. We just love the cozy feeling, and one of our favorite things to do, we love watching movies together, especially as a family. We also love making it super cozy. So I thought, you know what? It's time to take a break from all of this and let's have some festive fun. We love making family movie nights super cozy, blankets, hot chocolate, yummy snacks, cozying up and just having a really good time. It's a family affair and we love it. So we're gonna do a family movie night, but we're gonna make it extra special. So big thank you to Aurzen for sponsoring this video. Now let's set up the room and get everything ready. Guys, I know I've been super busy with work and it's taken a lot of time away from me and you, and I feel like we just need a really good bonding experience.
I have a brilliant, beyond brilliant idea.
Is that the D1Max Projector? We'll be in charge of decorations. We'll be in charge of making the room cozy. Sure.
All right, I appreciate the help and I'm super excited, but there's one thing wrong.
What?
Our outfits.
Ready for a movie night.
Let's do this.
With the D1Max Projector.
That'll be so much fun. I think I could work with this. Sure. Decorations are done!
This year, we are seriously upping our game with the world's first ultra bright projector with latest Google TV. You heard that right, Google TV. Let's talk about this little powerhouse because it's genuinely next generation performance in a super sleek design. The D1Max is actually the first projector with Google TV 14.0, which is a pretty big deal. That means it comes loaded with all of your favorite apps, Netflix, YouTube, hello, Disney Plus, you name it, right out of the box. No extra devices, no complicated setups, just plug it in, connect your Wi-Fi, and you're ready for movie magic. One thing I noticed right away when we set this up is how bright and crisp the imaging is. I'm not even kidding you. Even when we have a few lights on or the Christmas tree twinkling in the background, the picture stays clear and vibrant. You don't need a pitch black room to get that cinematic feel anymore, which is perfect for families or anyone who just wants that spontaneous movie moment without having to close every curtain in the house. Here's where it gets even better. The D1Max has MEMC motion compensation technology. Basically, it keeps fast-moving scenes smooth and stable, so you don't get that weird blur or lag when you're watching action movies or sports. The older 11.0 version didn't have this, and the difference is actually noticeable. Think of it as the secret sauce that makes everything feel more real and immersive. Okay, now let's go back to that Google TV 14.0 system for a second because that's another huge win. 14.0 outshines the 11.0 version by adding improved performance, sharper images, and new features such as energy saving mode. With 14.0, you've got abundant built-in storage and all your daily use streaming apps ready to go. No dongles, no HDMI juggling. You can just log into your accounts, browse your recommendations, and start watching. It's smooth, it's modern, and it's built for people who love convenience and entertainment without the fuss, which is me. Honestly, I think anyone could benefit from this setup. Families like ours, home theater enthusiasts, gamers, or even someone who just wants a portable all-in-one entertainment system for gatherings or outdoor movie nights. How fun and cozy would that be to set the scene outside? So yeah, the house might be under construction in a few areas. Not gonna show you that corner. We now are able to have our very own home theater and it feels so cozy and so fun. And that's a total win in my book. If you're looking to elevate your own movie nights this holiday season, definitely check out the D1Max. It's bright, it's beautiful, and it's packed with the most amazing smart features so that all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy. Before I go though, I have to share this deal with you. Right now for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all the things are on sale, and so is the D1Max. So in the United States, you can click the link below, save 40% off and additional discounts. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your home entertainment system, this is the time. Links are down below. Do not miss this deal. All right, I'm off to grab some popcorn. We're getting ready to watch another movie night. We had so much fun with that projector. Sound is amazing, quality is amazing, crystal clear. It's just so fun and so cozy. So I've got to go. Thank you for hanging out with us. I hope you enjoyed this cozy movie night. You guys are the absolute best. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and like I said, check out that link down below. You guys, this is seriously such an upgrade to your family movie night. You need one. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. I'm getting the popcorn.